for the right vehicle? Check out 2016 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, rear view camera, rear window wiper. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.